Well, JK Moving is one of our customers, and I love them. They've taken the QR code that we provide, and they've actually printed it on a bunch of flyers. They've got a nice partnership with a storage facility, and on every one of the doors, they have that QR code just plastered right up there. So it's great for their customers, but in this case, it's better. It goes beyond that, and they're offering that QR code for other people to join their referral program.
This is the Snowball Effect. You're listening to the Marketing Playbook series, presented by the Snowball Effect podcast. It's growth done right.
Hey, this is Todd with the Snowball Effect. This is part of our Micro Marketing Playbook series. This is installment number 3 out of 5 from a presentation I did with our friends over at Socius, basically distilling 5 insights from almost 250,000 conversations that we've had on how to just crush it with your DIY referral marketing program. In this 3rd installment, I talk about making things easy, right? That's obvious. But here I give you some specific do's and don'ts. Enjoy. We've done a lot of cutting edge research, and we have found that making advocacy easy is actually preferred. So there's your key insight for making things easy. But how do you do this? Use a QR code. So arm your reps, arm your technicians with a nice QR code that they can share right there with their phone. Someone can scan, it leads them right to your referral page. Or better yet, just put it on a nice leave behind so they can just drop it off. And we have, well, JK Moving is one of our customers, and I love them. They've taken the QR code that we provide, and they've actually printed it on a bunch of flyers. They've got a nice partnership with a storage facility, and on every one of the doors, they have that QR code just plastered right up there. So it's great for their customers, but in this case, it's better. It goes beyond that, and they're offering that QR code for other people to join their referral program. The next thing you want to do is actually create a shareable page. So have a specific page on your website that outlines what your reward is for a referral, what the details are, a nice clean form there. You can either have it for your company, or better yet, create one for each of your service folks or your reps. This is something that you can easily send out over email or text. But the nice thing about having a specific page is your customers can also take that page and put it on their neighborhood Facebook page or put it on their HOA page. Additionally, when you ask for a referral, there's something that we found here that's really sometimes a little counterintuitive, but you ask for a referral. That's a big request. Most of the time you're going to get an answer, oh, no one comes to mind yet. I don't have someone for you yet. Well, if this is someone that really likes you and you come back with a smaller request, hey, how about a review? And they're like, wow, I couldn't do that big thing for you, but yeah, I'll jump in and get you a review. That's a really nice technique for increasing those reviews, is follow with a nice small request. Some things that you don't want to do. Don't guide them to your website where they have to download a form and fill it out, download a PDF. You might as well be chasing them away with like a hot pokey stick and just driving them crazy. Don't force them to write anything down. And don't include a big, complicated form. This is marketing 101. Every single field that you add to your form, just imagine 10% of your audience bouncing. So keep those forms nice and tidy. 2, maybe 3 fields for a good referral program. And also, don't overwhelm them with too much data. This is what I mean by this. It pertains to email and text messages. Just again, this is marketing 101. Just think of the rule of 100. What this means is if you want a good response rate, keep your emails under 100 words. Keep your text messages under 100 characters. That sounds a lot easier than it is. It's really hard to do that. It's going to force you to cut the fat from your messages, and it's really going to force you to make those concise. But it's also more likely to be read rather than a big old wall of text. So those are ways you can make your referral program easier for your customers. I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.